Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some ghee. Clarify butter. We have some butter over here. We're going to clarify this butter. This butter always has some water in there and some milk solids. So we are going to try to, this is how shiny the package. So we are going to clarify this butter by separating milk solids from the butter. Okay, let's go do what we have to do. There's nothing we have to do, is we just have to boil the butter until it gets separates. Okay, I think I'm gonna use 3 sticks of butter to melt. I'm gonna save one. There's 4 of them. I'll save 1 of them. I'll put 3 of them in there. Because if you put this regular butter, if you're frying something, they always burn because there's a milk solids inside. And if you clarify the butter, it won't burn. Bismillah. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Let's go put it on the stove and start cooking. Okay friends, we start boiling this ghee butter. So it's melting now. It will take a few minutes to melt. Then you have to keep on stirring it, otherwise it will burn in the bottom. All the milk solids will go sit in the bottom and the butter will burn. You're gonna have like a brownish color butter, not like a yellowish creamish color butter. So we have to keep on stirring this, okay? I did a lot of gardening today. Ooh, my back is hurting. I planted tomatoes, pepper, eggplants, karela, okra. What else I planted? Turai and kaddu lauki. And what else I planted? Let's see. Tidda. That's planted a lot of plants. And also I've transplanted a lot of herbs, bought it like 4 inches pots and planted them in the bigger pots this year. I usually put it in the ground because with a vegetable garden I make 1 row and plant them in there. But this year I just wanted to try in the pots. Maybe probably I can save them in the winter, so I can move them in the greenhouse in the winter. So I did not put it in the ground this year. Oh, look at that. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Keep on doing this. So you're gonna see a lot of white milk solids will be coming up. See? Then we'll start separating from the milk. See? You see that white milk solids are coming up. See? You can hear that noise. All the water is gonna be evaporating. And the milk solids keep on burning. If you keep on stirring, it won't burn in the bottom, otherwise it will burn. You can smell it. It smells like ghee now. It's already started smelling like ghee. Okay friends, our ghee is ready. See, all the milk solids are out and then the butter is down here. Let it, I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to let it cool down. Once it cools down, we're going to strain that. Ghee is separated from the butter, the milk solids, okay? We're going to leave it like that for a few minutes until it gets cold. Let it cool down, so we'll come back in a few minutes. Okay friends, our ghee is ready. I was waiting for that to cool down a little bit. I do not want to put very hard ghee in the jar. I don't want to I don't want to break my jar. So you see that ghee is so beautiful and we have all the milk solid in there. Mawa, khova. You can just eat this with the paratha. Put a little honey in there. It tastes so good. It's just like a khova. So also you can use any dessert. You can wait. Let me just strain this first. So then we're gonna talk about this rest of it. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So our ghee. How nice. See? Okay. You know what? Looking this, I feel like I'm making some. I have some more khova. I think I'm gonna make some gajar halwa. Looks so nice. I just feel like mixing some honey in there. Eat with a puri. It's good. It's a lot of fattening, but it's yummy. Okay guys, go ahead and make your ghee and let me know. Do not cook too much, and also do not leave it unattended, and cook on very slow flame. Do not cook on high flame, and you're gonna have beautiful ghee. Look at that. See? Nice ghee. Look at a jar of ghee. Okay. Okay guys, if you like my video, please click like, share and subscribe definitely. If you're visiting my channel, please subscribe, and you're going to be learning a lot more very unusual and rare dishes and a lot of gardening from me. Okay, see you next video. Bye.